Hi guys, in the last class we have discussed about how to see a source code of a website. So today we are going to print our first program Hello World. So before that you should remember that in your laptop any software that should display output of our program, it can be browser or Chrome or Firefox, anything it should be there in your laptop. Okay, let's start our class. Guys, open your VS Code. If you are comfortable with your softwares, it's okay, but I prefer this one, Visual Studio. Guys, first of all, create one folder. So I'm creating that HTML codes presenter, and in this, open a file. Create one new file with the extension of .html, index.html. So here we have tags. There are number of tags are there. So first, here guys, we are starting with HTML tag. So first of all, open less than symbol and HTML and close the greater than symbol, and close these tag with the less than symbol and slash and HTML and closing symbol. So here opening less than symbol and greater than symbol and closing with a slash between them. Inside the HTML we are inserting header tag, and inside the header tag we are inserting title. So under the head tag we are going to add a body tag. So this is the main tag, so all the elements should be resides in the body tag only. So this is the main tag. First of all, we are writing some content under the head tag, heading, and some content also there in title, and let's see the output. So click left and open in default browser. It will be, yeah, there is a title and heading will be the first content, and title will be upside. See, it is resides in HTML folder and index.html file. Guys, here I am going to introduce one special tag, that is doc type. So it will be here less than symbol, and this one all capitals, doc type. Here is there. So doc type HTML. So we are telling that browser this is HTML file, not a PDF or anything else. So this is the HTML. We are intimating to the browser that it is a file of HTML. Okay, here are some basic tags, some attribute tags called, first one is paragraph tags, and next one headers, and next one underline, and line breaks. Next one are some text fonts like bold or strong or Italian to the VS Code. And here inside the body tag we are going to add these all tags. First one is paragraph. So with the letter P we are going to write some any paragraph like Praveen, I'm here to teach HTML. So this is small paragraph. So let's open and output. Yeah, I am Praveen. I am here to teach HTML. So this is the output, and next one, what's the next one? Yeah, headers. So there are 6 headers total. First one is h1 h1 to h6. There are 6 headers. h1 h2. So these are the 6 headers are there. So write something. So copy these content in all the h1 tags. Okay, we written these content. So let's see the output. Wait, go to the Chrome and press Ctrl R. It will refresh. Yeah, the output will be the size difference. The first one, h1 tag, giving greater size, and coming to h6 it is giving small size. So these all are headers, different types of headers. So the next one is, yeah, underline. The underline tag is the u. It will be give you. So write some content, underline. So the output will be like yeah, like this. So in the content of underline, the underline will be display. So this is called underline. So the next one is line break. So you can see here, I am Praveen. I am here to teach HTML. This is the paragraph. So if you want to break from here to here, so we should write one tag called br. So that's it. It will be break this line into two lines. Okay, let's see output. Control R. Yeah, so here it will be there. The line will be break in 2 lines. So this is the line break. So the last one is bold or stronger Italian. So what if you want these what if you want this header more bold, h6. So let's take B. Close this B tag. Okay, let's see that. Wait, some mistake is happened. So here the bold letter will be there. So B is the tag to represent this content as a bold. So we can see the output will be refresh. Here is the bold one. So the content will be more bold, like thick one. And so next one is Italian. So it will be written with I tag, Italian. So let's see the output. Control R. Yeah, you can see here the Italian word is showing like a Italian. So this is a difference between the bold and Italian. So end of this session. Okay, bye guys. Let's see in the next video. Bye.